Hello, in this video I will show you how to insert package symbol in MS Word. Let me open my on screen keyboard. First you need to press the Alt key and then press 128230 on the numeric side keypad and release the Alt key. And here you can see that package symbol has been inserted. Here you can select it and make it bigger from the font and also apply any text effects, whatever you want. The RTX code of package symbol is 1F4E6 and press Alt X all together. And here you can see package symbol has been inserted. So this is pretty simple and easy. So I hope you have learned. Thanks for watching.